everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I haven't been posting that much because we've been having problems and that happens all the time. If you don't know me, my name is Bella, and today we're gonna be making another craft today. So I hope you like and subscribe and put down a beautiful comment and make sure to turn on notifications to see when I post a new video. Let's get right into it. Okay, today what we're going to be making is a taba squishy, which I've seen them all over. They're really fun. They're like really squishy. They're really sticky too. So let's do it. So what I got a kit, and this is what it came with it. First it came with this squishy gel A. It's a silicone for squishy maker. And it came with another one, but squishy gel B silicone. And it also came with these little cups to stir. Clear. And the mold, it's dirty because I used it earlier, which is now I'm going to show you now. It's a little paw print. And it came with some gloves. Came with a couple of them. With some paint. They're random colors, but that's okay. And it came with these two cups. And it came with some stirring sticks. So let's start. Okay, so first we're gonna get our 2 cups. We're gonna get our 2 bottles of A and B. And first you're gonna get your A, and then I'm gonna fill it up where it says 15. It doesn't really show right there. It says 15. And my hands are all pink because I got food dye all over them. Okay, so let's put it in. Okay, I'm just gonna fill it up to where it says. There you go, to where it says. And now we're gonna get our B solution. I just call it solution. I don't know why. And we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna fill it up to where it says right there, like the other one. And now that we have our 2 cups filled up, we're gonna go ahead and get one of these clear cups. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna get one of these cups, and we're gonna pour the A solution and the B solution inside. Make sure you have to get all of it out. It should look something like this. Okay, I put on my gloves for this. They're a bit big, but that's okay. And now we're going to stir it for 2 minutes. So I'll see you in 2 minutes. Okay, now that we stirred it for 2 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add in our color. So we're going to get our color. Okay, we got our color. I'm just gonna go ahead and take out the gloves real quick. There you go. And then we're gonna get a color. I'm gonna go with the light blue. It's really hard to open. Give me a second. Okay, now that you got it open, you're gonna get your popsicle stick. Gonna get some color with your popsicle stick. Gonna put it in, and then you're gonna mix. It's already starting to make a blue color. I also have like some charms and other stuff from, because I'm doing nails right now. I was doing nails, and I think these stars will be perfect. I think I should add that at the end. Okay, I'm close the paint. And now you're gonna get your silicone mold and clean off your stick. Now I have to put on my gloves back on. Okay, now that I have my gloves on, we're gonna put it in here. Just gonna carefully pour. Here we go. Now that it's all full, we're gonna add in our stars. Okay, so let's add in our stars. We're gonna put these little stars inside. There we go. Come on, little stars. Okay. And we need to wait for this to cure for 2 hours. So I will check back in 2 hours. Okay guys, it's been 2 hours. So this is how it should look like. Let me just put on my gloves. Alright. There you go. Gloves are on. Okay. Now you're going to take your mold. You're going to carefully peel this is how it should look like. It's a paw print. And it also came with this fur, so it won't make it sticky. So it can be nice and soft. So I'm going to take out the gloves. Let's just play with it for a bit, and then we'll go ahead and put on the fluff. Okay. So now we're going to open the bag. I opened it, and because I just want to see how it looks like. So now I put it in this bag. Just going to put fluff right here. I'm just going to cover it. Fluff all over it. Look. It's not covered with fluff. Now it's like a real paw print. just blue. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you like and subscribe. And put down a beautiful comment. And I'm sorry if you hear something because those are just my siblings. They're so loud. And make sure to turn on notifications to see when I post a new video. See you guys next time. Bye.